So you want to market yourself as a coach, but you're not sure where to start. Today, I'm giving you the full plan on how to market yourself authentically, even if self-promotion isn't your favorite thing. So let's start. Know what you're actually selling. Okay, so most coaches who are just starting out believe their product is coaching. But you are not selling coaching hours. What you're selling is the end result of a need or a desire. So here goes a short checklist on what you need to be clear on first. You need to know what problem you solve, who you solve it for, and what life looks like after they've worked with you. And here's the thing, if you can answer those three without fumbling, you're already ahead of 80% of coaches online. And here goes a quick bonus tip for you. Collect testimonials from the very beginning. And although you want to let your clients tell you everything they felt while working with you, you also want to prompt them to get great sound bites that support your messaging and address the objections of working with someone like you. What do I mean by that? Well, as you might know, our brain is perfect at keeping us safe and at making excuses. So here are the three most common objections your clients might have. I don't have the time. I'm not sure it will work. It's too expensive. And no, addressing these objections is not fake. It's about your future clients seeing themselves in those testimonials. So use them to reflect the real value of your work. Hey, I have a short favor to ask. If you found this video helpful so far, you might want to leave a like and a comment so the algorithm shows it to more people who need to see it. Next is be clear, not cute. All right, let's get real about positioning. If your bio sounds like a riddle, a poem, or something ChatGPT spat out, that's kind of a problem. Because cute doesn't sell, clear does. Your ideal client doesn't need to be impressed. They need to instantly know, oh wow, this is for me. So let's make it stupid simple. I help who go from struggle to result using your method. That's it there. That's your positioning. Now, how you say it, that is your brand. And this is where brand archetypes come in. Think about brand archetypes as the role you will play in your ideal client's life. Are you more of a catalyst for transformation, the magician? Or are you about providing deeper insights and frameworks, the sage? Or are you all about turning chaos into beauty, the creator? Choose one or two that fit you like a second skin. Not the one that sounds professional, not the one that sounds cool, the one that reflects who you are. Because if your brand doesn't feel like you, you'll either burn out or blend in. And neither of those will pay your bills. All right, stop posting everywhere and start showing up strategically. Okay, so you don't need to be everywhere, but you need to be consistent somewhere. Here's the move. Pick one long-form platform to build trust. Pick one short-form platform to get seen. That's it. That's the strategy. Long-form, that's your deep dive, your slow burn. Think YouTube, podcast, blog. It can also be a newsletter. This is where people should binge your stuff and go, why haven't I found this person sooner? And your short form should work like a discovery engine. Think Instagram, LinkedIn, or TikTok. And now this is really important. Pick the platforms where your people actually are, not the ones that feel comfortable. Because comfort zones make cozy content, and cozy content gets crickets. And here's how to work smarter. One long-form piece should give you at least 5 snackable short-form posts. And this is where you want to chop them, remix them, and spread them like breadcrumbs, leading back to the main meal. And next is, what the heck do you say online? Without sounding like you swallowed a coaching textbook. Here's the thing. If your content sounds like a TED Talk and a therapist had a baby, you will lose people fast. Stop saying, I help clients gain clarity. Start saying, I felt stuck, like I was doing everything right and still getting nowhere. See the difference? Your job is not to impress, it's to connect. And real connection comes from real words, not coach speak. And here's how to keep it simple and consistent. You want to rotate between these 3 content types. Insight: drop a truth bomb, bust a myth, flip a mindset. Story: share a moment, a client win, a turning point. Service: tell them how to work with you, what it's like, and what to do next. And always talk to one person. Remember, the whole internet is not your dream client. Make it stupid simple to buy from you. If your content ends with crickets instead of clients, you're probably missing a call to action. You don't need a 12-step funnel with jazz hands. You need this: free content, email list, discovery call, paid offer. Simple, repeatable, scalable. And don't be shy about your offer. Say it, show it, and link it. Repeat it until you're tired of hearing it, because that's when it will finally start to click. And here's the thing I really want you to take away. People don't necessarily hate being sold to. They hate being overwhelmed and confused with stuff that doesn't matter to them. So make it obvious, make it easy, but most importantly, make it feel like you. Tools and systems, or how to stay sane while marketing. Yes, you can set it up on autopilot without sounding like a robot. Listen, showing up online is important, but burning out isn't part of the deal. So let's make it easy on you. Build an email list with tools like Kit or Flowdesk. Use a booking system like Calendly or Acuity. This will save your inbox from chaos. You can automate your follow-ups, and you want to batch your content before life gets in the way. And just a heads up, this is not about being perfect. When I first started to show up online, I thought I had to have every post polished, every funnel mapped, and every call to action perfectly placed. I spent more time tweaking Canva templates than actually connecting with people. Sound familiar? That's when I realized it's not about being perfect. It's about being present and building systems that help you show up consistently without losing your mind. It's about building a system that frees you up to do the job you're actually here to do: coaching. And yes, templates are your friend. But here's the rule. Only use them to save time, not to sound like every other coach on the internet. Add your voice, your style, your little phrases, because now, more than ever, the more human you sound, the more people will trust you. And next is mindset. Stop hiding. Okay, some real talk before we go. Marketing is not selfish. It's not annoying. It's not look at me. It's service. You are not spamming people. You're giving them a way out of what is keeping them stuck. But here's the catch. You can't help anyone if you're hiding. And no, you don't need a crystal clear message to start. You need movement, because clarity doesn't come before action, it comes from it. So show up messy, show up imperfect, but for the love of your future clients, just show up. Here's the recap: clarity, consistency, connection, clients. That's the game. And if you want to shortcut the guesswork, grab your free personal branding checklist. It'll help you market yourself in a way that feels great and gets you real results. I'll link to it in the description of this video. And don't forget to subscribe for weekly tips on marketing and personal branding coming your way. Take care, and I'll catch you guys next time. Bye.